Good morning, everyone. I'm going to make a bento for my daughter. Today's main dish for bento is Toriniku no Saparini, which is a vinegar chicken. First, I'm going to prepare a rice. I'm going to cook rice for 1 cup. Now, I'm going to prepare a chicken. I'm going to use chicken thigh for this dish. I'm going to take out any extra fat and bones and also some of the skins, and this is done. Now I'm going to prepare dashi, which I'm going to add to the sauce for chicken. This is dashi stock powder, which takes 2-3 minutes to make a dashi stock. And this dashi stock powder contains like roasted fish, kombu powder and stuff like that, which has a lot of umami to it. Now I'm going to saute the chicken with garlic. This is a kome abura, which is rice oil. I'm going to make the skin of chicken crispy. If you like a soft skin of chicken, then you don't need to do it. I'm going to take out any excess oil. This is still raw, still like half cooked, so I'm going to pour dashi stock. And add some honmirin, which is sweet rice wine. And soseto, which is brown sugar. And I'm gonna add nihonshu, which is sake. And at last, I'm going to add osu, which is rice vinegar. At the beginning, I said this is a vinegar chicken, but it's more like chicken in soy sauce and vinegar. While chicken is being cooked, I'm going to make a soft boiled egg. Instead of boiling it, I'm going to steam for 8 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare some vegetables. This is the Morocco Ingen, or Romano beans, or you call it Italian flat beans. This is the sweet corns that I got in summer. I kept frozen. I'm going to mix corns and beans for salad. First, I'm going to saute corns. The soft boiled egg is done. I'm going to put them in iced cold water. And I'm going to stir fry corns with rice oil. I'm going to check the chicken. I think this is done. It's fully cooked. At last, I'm going to add soy sauce. This is a koikuchi shoyu, which is dark soy sauce. I am adding the soy sauce at the end because there's a basic rule of Japanese cooking about order of adding seasoning into a dish. So we usually add sake, rice wine, honmirin, which is sweet rice wine, and sugar and salt, vinegar, soy sauce, and miso. So if you ever try to cook some Japanese food, then keep in mind this is the order you should put seasoning. I'm going to finish up the corn. And this is done. Now I'm going to cook beans with rice oil. I'm going to check the meat, chicken, one more time. And this is done. I'm gonna add salt, shio, at the end. Just mix a little bit, and this is done. Now I'm going to crack the egg and take out the shells. Now the sauces became thick, so I'm gonna put back chicken and egg. And I think this is done. I'm going to pour the sauce over the chicken and soft boiled egg and cool it down a little bit. Now it's cooled down a little bit. I'm gonna slice the chicken and the egg. When you cut the egg, boiled egg, if you move the knife right and left, it's a little bit easier to cut it in half. I'm gonna cut the beans into small size and make salad. And if you are cooking for adult, then you don't need put anything, just mix as it is and just put in a bento. But since I'm cooking for my kid, put some mayonnaise. It makes easy for her to eat. It's done. Now rice is cooked, nice and fluffy. Now I'm gonna finish up the bento. First I'm gonna add rice, but this is still hot, so I need to cool down a little bit. Otherwise it's gonna be too much moisture in a bento, which causes food poisoning. Rice is cooled down a little bit, so I'm gonna put everything into box. I always try to put 3 colors into bento: green, yellow, and red. Now I'm missing the red. If I had like a cherry tomato, I put it, but my daughter hates tomato, so I cannot put it. So at the end, I'm going to put umeboshi. This is a leftover from last night. It's just carrot and tuna salad. And I'm going to add umeboshi, which is salted plum. Because it is red, it looks good in bento. Also, it prevents food poisoning. Okay, this is done. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. And I will try to put as much video as possible. So if you like it, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.